Hello, I'm Miccasx. I'm a software engineer and a graphic designer specialized in UX/UI for games. Today, I'll provide a professional, in-depth analysis of Grand Theft Auto 1, released in 1997 by DMA Design, the foundation of what would become Rockstar Games. GTA 1 was more than a game, it was a bold experiment in open-world design, modular systems, and emergent gameplay, combining technical innovation with design foresight. This analysis explores how GTA 1 transformed limitations into creativity, setting benchmarks still relevant today. Technology and technical context. GTA 1 launched on MS-DOS, Windows 95, PlayStation 1, and Game Boy Color. At the time, real-time 3D was rare, and most urban simulations were linear or grid-based. DMA Design developed a proprietary 2D engine with a top-down perspective, which simplified collision detection, AI navigation, and rendering, allowing full city exploration even on limited hardware. The graphics system used pixel art sprites, carefully designed for readability. Vehicles, pedestrians, and buildings were animated efficiently, conveying motion and interaction with minimal frames. The cities themselves were built using modular tiles, enabling reusable assets, memory optimization, and scalable environments across 3 distinct maps: Liberty City, Vice City, and San Andreas. The audio system was particularly advanced. It combined PCM sound effects with simulated radio stations, creating a living urban soundscape. Honks, sirens, crashes, pedestrian shouts, and music provided constant audio feedback, guiding the player subtly without intrusive UI. AI and physics were surprisingly sophisticated. Vehicles had unique attributes such as speed, handling, and durability. Damage was progressive, gradually deteriorating vehicles until destruction. Police AI implemented a tiered wanted system, escalating responses dynamically based on player behavior, enabling emergent gameplay rather than following rigid scripts. Game design and UX. From a UX perspective, GTA 1 was revolutionary. The 3 fictional cities were inspired by real-life locations: Liberty City, New York, Vice City, Miami, and San Andreas, San Francisco. Each city had unique layouts, challenges, and visual identity, yet all were constructed using modular blocks, allowing designers to maximize content while maintaining performance. Missions were non-linear, triggered through payphones. Players could select objectives, choose the order of completion, and approach tasks in multiple ways. The scoring system gamified crime, rewarding mission success, vehicle theft, and chaos. This created a clear risk-reward loop, encouraging experimentation and replayability. The HUD was minimalistic: health, points, weapons, and a small map. By reducing visual clutter, the game prioritized player focus and agency. Environmental cues communicated mission progress, vehicle damage, and police attention, relying on player observation rather than intrusive prompts. This design approach is still influential in modern open-world titles. Emergent interactions were a hallmark. Cars could collide, pedestrians reacted to player actions, and police dynamically escalated pursuits. These simple rules produced complex behaviors, demonstrating early sandbox design principles. Development team. GTA 1's success relied on the vision and collaboration of its team. David Jones, founder of DMA Design, conceptualized the freedom-chaos hybrid. Mike Daly, co-creator and engine programmer, developed the engine enabling AI, vehicle physics, and modular city layouts. Dan and Sam Houser, future Rockstar founders, contributed narrative tone, humor, and thematic consistency. Leslie Benzies, early designer and producer, structured city layouts and mission flow. Brian Baglow, lead writer, defined the satirical urban voice that became a franchise hallmark. Their iterative prototyping, modular pipelines, and disciplined design process allowed a small team to deliver a complex, scalable game. Development insights and curiosities. GTA 1 began as a prototype called Race and Chase, focusing on racing and police pursuits. Playtesting revealed that players preferred chaos and exploration, which prompted the shift to a criminal sandbox. The top-down perspective, originally a technical necessity, became a defining visual and gameplay feature. It simplified AI, collision, and rendering while providing clear spatial awareness. The radio system was revolutionary for 1997. Simulating multiple stations with different playlists allowed players to experience diverse music while driving, increasing immersion and giving urban life a dynamic personality. Police AI already included adaptive behavior. Wanted levels determined pursuit intensity, forcing strategic escape, improvisation, and planning. These simple but effective rules created emergent gameplay scenarios that were rare at the time. Historical context. In 1997, most games were linear or mission-based, with minimal sandbox elements. GTA 1 introduced open-world urban simulation, combining modular environments, emergent AI, and player freedom. Compared to contemporaries, it offered unprecedented interactivity and narrative flexibility. Even within 2D constraints, the game achieved depth and immersion, rivaling many 3D titles. Its combination of technical innovation, emergent gameplay, and modular design set a new benchmark for open-world games. Legacy and influence. GTA 1 proved that open-world interactivity could succeed even on constrained hardware. Modular cities, reusable assets, adaptive AI, and emergent systems created immersive urban simulations. From a UX/UI perspective, minimal HUD, non-linear missions, and player agency emphasized clarity, engagement, and immersion. GTA 1 established conventions still seen today: sandbox freedom, adaptive AI, emergent gameplay, and modular environments. It showed that limitations can foster creativity. Instead of chasing graphical fidelity, the developers focused on systems, mechanics, and player experience, producing a lasting identity and legacy. Lessons for developers. Embrace constraints as opportunities for creative solutions. Build modular systems for scalability, expansion, and efficiency. Use audio as UX, enhancing immersion and feedback. Prioritize emergent systems to allow freedom and replayability. Maintain clear, minimal interfaces to communicate essential information. Implement adaptive AI to produce dynamic, engaging challenges. Conclusion. Grand Theft Auto 1 is more than the start of a franchise. It is a masterclass in software engineering, UX/UI design, and game design, demonstrating how constraints, creativity, and technology converge. Every element, top-down perspective, radio system, adaptive AI, and modular cities, contributed to a legacy that reshaped the gaming industry. GTA 1 proves that clarity, emergent systems, and thoughtful UX create experiences far greater than their technical footprint. As a software engineer and UX/UI designer, GTA 1 stands as a prime example of technical and design innovation, with lessons that remain essential for developers today.